In this video, I'm going to explain your options for purchasing and licensing Video Kiosk. Let's get started. For your convenience, there's a number of ways to purchase Video Kiosk licenses. You can use the in-app purchase through the Google Play Store on the Android device. You can purchase through our web store using a credit card or PayPal, or by invoice for volume purchases. You can use whichever purchase option is easiest for you. Here are a few guidelines. If you're purchasing fewer than 25 licenses, it will be easiest to purchase through the Google Play Store. But if you're purchasing more than 25 licenses, it's usually easiest to purchase licenses in bulk through our website rather than buying them individually on each Android device from the Google Play Store. Using the in-app purchase through the Google Play Store. To use the Play Store, you'll need to have already added the account you plan to use to purchase Video Kiosk to the Android devices. For more on choosing an email account, watch our video, Video Kiosk Purchasing and Licensing 2, Frequently Asked Questions. And if you need help adding an account, refer to the Android Basics section of our website. You'll find the link below. Step 2. If you haven't already done so, install the Video Kiosk app from the Google Play Store onto the device. Step 3. Launch Video Kiosk. Click the Purchase button on the License Activity screen and follow the in-app purchase steps. Step 4. The license will be automatically activated when the in-app purchase completes. Option 2. Purchase through our website. Step 1. Download the Video Kiosk app onto the Android device. You can do this through the Google Play Store on the Android device, or you can sideload it by downloading the APK from our website. Step 2. Decide which license management option you will be using. You can manage your licenses using one of two options. The email account license management option, where you add an email account to each of your Android devices, or the license file license management option, where you place the license file that we send to you on each of your Android devices. Before deciding which license management option to use, please consider the following. When you use the email account license management option, you need to add an account with that email address to each Android device. Some Android devices don't allow you to add accounts. If this is the case with your device, use the license file license management option instead. So, if you plan to use the email account management option, make sure you can add the account you plan to use to the device before purchasing licenses for the account. Step 3. Go to our volume purchase store. If you're using the email account license management option, choose email account from the License By pop-up menu and enter the email address you're using in the account field. If you're using the license file license management option, choose license file from the License By pop-up menu and leave the account field blank. Click the Buy Now button. On the purchase screen, enter the number of licenses you're buying and click the Continue button to go to the checkout. You can pay using a major credit card or your PayPal account. Once you've checked out, you'll be sent an email with the steps to activate the licenses with the license file attached, if applicable. Step 4. Activate volume licenses. If you're using the email account license management option, add the email account to the Android device. If you're using the license file license management option, copy the license file onto the Android device at the location we sent you in the email. For help with copying, go to the Android Basics section on our website. If you haven't already done so, install Video Kiosk on the Android device. Ensure that the device has internet access. Open Video Kiosk. Grant any permissions requested. Click the Activate button on the License Activity screen. Option 3. If you need more than 50 licenses, please contact us for pricing and payment information. For frequently asked questions about purchasing and licensing Video Kiosk, as well as additional technical information, watch Buying and Licensing Options 2, Frequently Asked Questions. If you found this video helpful,
please leave us a comment.